Annual fire extinguisher inspections are thorough checks conducted once a year to ensure extinguishers meet all safety standards, function properly in emergencies, comply with regulatory requirements, maintain building and occupant safety. Using digital tools like eAuditor helps standardize this process while creating verifiable inspection records. General information: inspection date and time, inspector name, facility name and location, extinguisher ID, serial number, specific location within facility, visual inspection, visibility and accessibility, free from obstructions, proper upright positioning, clear signage present, physical condition, free from damage, corrosion, rust, no dents, cracks, or tampering. Nozzle and hose unobstructed, overall integrity maintained first. Create a comprehensive checklist in eAuditor that covers all necessary inspection points to ensure compliance and safety. Ensure gauge is in the green zone, indicating operational status. Check for no leakage or damage. Verify proper pressure is maintained. Confirm safety pin is in place and intact. Tamper seal unbroken. And weight feels appropriate. Documentation should be legible and updated. Ensure instructions are clear and inspection tag is present with the last date. Use the correct extinguisher type for the location. Your eAuditor checklist should include these critical inspection points for full operational readiness. Using eAuditor to document evidence. Capture photos of extinguisher condition, pressure gauge, label, and inspection tag. Record detailed notes for each checklist item. Use voice notes for additional context or issues requiring attention. Document the extinguisher's location and surrounding area. The mobile app allows for real-time documentation directly at each inspection point. Identify issues. Document any problems found during inspection, such as damaged extinguishers, improper pressure readings, or accessibility issues. Assign tasks. Tag responsible team members or contractors to repair, refill, or replace faulty extinguishers with clear deadlines. Track progress. Use eAuditor's task management feature to monitor completion of corrective actions and ensure all issues are resolved. When issues are identified, immediately create and assign corrective actions with appropriate priority levels: high for damaged extinguishers, medium for minor issues. Comprehensive reporting. Once inspection is complete, eAuditor generates detailed reports including inspection results overview, visual evidence with photos and notes, list of corrective actions and assignments, compliance status summary, distribution options, export in PDF, Word or CSV formats, automatically share with relevant personnel, schedule follow-up inspections. Schedule recurring inspections. Set up annual or more frequent fire extinguisher inspections in eAuditor to ensure continuous safety compliance. Review historical data. Analyze past inspection reports to identify patterns or recurring issues with specific extinguishers or locations. Track equipment lifespan. Monitor when fire extinguishers are due for servicing or replacement to maintain optimal safety conditions. Ensure compliance. Maintain comprehensive records that demonstrate safety compliance, reducing risk of fines while improving workplace safety. Using eAuditor for ongoing fire extinguisher management ensures all equipment is properly inspected, maintained, and ready for use in emergencies while creating an accessible inspection history for audits.